So good evening, everyone. So in the last class, we were discussing about accounting equation, and I gave around 6 problems as homework, which was identical actually. Whatever we discussed in the class, the same kind of problems I have given for homework actually. So how many of you were able to solve it actually, and how many of you tried solving all the 6 guys? Sanjana and Aditya, only 2 in the entire 15 we are here. Akshay also tried, Roshni also tried, Siddharth also. Only 5 of you. Navya as well. Fantastic. Good. Anyone who got all the answers correct? Anyone who got all the answers correct? No one? Okay. Danya got everything correct. Fantastic. Anyone else, guys? Okay. Okay. So, which question you are having a doubt, guys? We'll start with discussing the questions first. Then I will go to today's topic. So, which question you are having a doubt? Out of 1 to 6? One, how many of you got it correct? I think everyone should have got correct. Only 3 adjustments are there. Any doubt in question number 1 to anyone? Siddharth, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can someone help me with sharing the answer in the group for question number 1? Danya, can you take a picture of question number 1 and send it in the group?
Sir, my mother is out of town, so I
Sorry?
don't have a phone right now.
Okay. Anyone else who completed it and got it correct can share the answer in the group if possible. Okay. Okay. Let me start with question number 1. Guys, one thing please note, excuse of not having time to solve just 6 questions is not acceptable. I got this excuse from few students. So I don't think sparing 1 hour, it will not take more than 1 hour, I believe, actually, the 6 question. Every question is not more than 10 minutes. So 10 minutes into 6 question is hardly 6 minutes. So in a 5-day work week, not getting 1 hour is not acceptable. Clear? So next time when a homework is given, don't come up with an excuse. Another excuse, I have a test going on. That excuse also will not be acceptable, because in so many different schools, you will definitely have tests going on. So all those tests and all is not an excuse which can be taken for not doing a question. And in fact, for the class also, I think I got one of the requests that we have a test tomorrow. Just 90 minutes of class, guys. Whatever test that you have tomorrow, you can always plan accordingly, actually. So don't miss this class, because accounts is the most important subject in your 11th standard. So take this subject seriously. So even though you may have a test, still try to come for the class. Actually, whichever test it is, try to come for the class. And second is, whenever I give the assignment, try to do it. Next time I will not be listening that I did not find time, because I don't see a reason why 1 hour cannot be, or 1 or 1.5 hours cannot be taken out to solve problems, actually. Yeah, Yogeshwaran, you wanted to say something?
Sir, no, sir, by mistake.
By mistake. Okay, good. Fine. So Can we all agree to this? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, because each one of you are very interactive in the class. So the only thing, the only way it will get registered in your mind is practice actually. If you think that listening to the class and directly going to the exam is going to help you, that may not happen actually. So you will have to, even though you understand everything in the class, until you practice it on your own, you will not get that result actually. And each one of you are here targeting higher marks, right? Everyone wants to score above 90 or 95 or close to even 100 also if possible. So if you're targeting that,
I will score.
you have to actively listen to me, guys. No excuses. Sorry?
I will score.
Definitely. If you have to score, then you should practice also.
Okay, sir.
Because I will not write the exam for you guys. Right? You are only writing the exam, so you have to practice also. Fine. So everyone is with me when it comes to practice and being regular to the class. I see a very good attendance today. I have 17 here out of 19. 2 are missing. I don't know which 2 are missing, but 17 out of 19 is a very good attendance for the 4th week. I expect this attendance to continue till January or February, till the time we wind up the entire portion. Now coming back to the discussion. Let's discuss all the 6 questions one by one. Okay. We will not take much time, but we will discuss each and every question, guys. And next time onwards, I will see one thing. I'm making it clear. All the illustrations I will be discussing in the class. None of the practical questions will be on me. Practical questions will be on you. And I will ensure that none of the practical questions you will find it difficult, because whatever we discuss in the class, nothing will be outside the discussion in the class. Whatever doubts you have in the practical class definitely will be addressed. That again is my responsibility to clear all the doubts in the practical problem. Clear? But all the practical problem and whatever illustrations we do in the class, that also repeated, guys. Clear? So repeat the illustrations and then go to the practical problem. You will never find it difficult. So let's start doing question number 1. I got 39 out of 40, Sanjana. Fantastic. Which were the chapters covered?
Sir, the second chapter, accounting concepts, accounting standard, GST, that and all, the second chapter fully, sir.
Fantastic. So can we have a round of applause for Sanjana? 39 out of 40. Fantastic. Fantastic, Sanjana.
Thank you, sir.
Still a mark was missing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
in MCQ, in objective
okay.
types, 1 mark left, sir.
To be very honest, I don't generally go by marks, but I find each one of you very honestly, very interactive and very understanding. So you have to be the best version of yourself is what I want actually. So whatever is the maximum that you can achieve from yourself, that is what you should try for. Okay. So you have a potential to score 40. Maybe next time you can try that also. Not just Sanjana, each one in the class are capable of that. Clear? So let's keep the standards high. Very good benchmark with respect to scoring 39 out of 40 in the first assessment. Fantastic. Keep it up. Okay, let's move to the discussion now. Okay, so we will discuss now practical problem 1. Okay, as always, I will ask you to solve the problem. Okay, practical problem 1. Let me take my screen. This is not the one. PDF. Okay. Can you see my screen, guys?
Nah.
No?
No, sir.
Okay, that means I'm not sharing. Give me a moment. I will share my screen. Okay, yeah, now I'm sharing my screen with all of you. Okay, yeah. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first one is a very simple one actually. The amounts are missing. Let's don't worry about the amount. Amount, you guys can help me. Practical problem 1. Yes. I will take the format. The format everyone is aware. See, one thing in the format is the heading is also part of the format. What is the heading, guys? What are we doing? What are we preparing?
Accounting
Accounting
equation.
equation.
Accounting equation. So that is also part of the heading, part of the format. So ensure that you are writing everything properly. First one is started business with cash. Any doubt in this? Quickly, guys, started business with cash. How much is the how much is the amount? 45,000. Where shall I put it? Quick, guys, don't waste time. Quickly.
Sir,
Cash and
account
capital,
and
sir.
capital account.
Cash and capital. Fantastic, guys. Any doubt? Anyone? I think no one should have a doubt in this. Opened a bank account with a deposit of 4,500. Opened a bank account with a deposit of 4,500. Clear? Now, okay. Now this question, two accounts are always involved, guys. When I open a bank account, what will happen, guys? When I open a bank account, what will happen?
Bank. We should put the bank in asset side.
Okay. See, one thing is I am opening a new bank account. That means I have a bank. Now I will have a bank account.
Okay.
And what I will do, I am putting my cash, right? I'm putting my cash. So bank account 4,500. It is an asset. Asset will increase. Concept is asset will increase. Cash 4,500. What will happen? What will happen to this asset? What will happen to this asset? Asset will decrease. So 4,500, my cash will decrease, and I have to introduce a new category called bank account 4,500. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Clear? So now I have a bank account and I have a cash account also. My new accounting equation. New accounting equation. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
What is the third one, guys? Third one is bought goods from Mr. Sun and Co.
Sun and Co.
Bought goods from Sun and Co. When I purchase goods, see, whenever it is given Sun and Co, that means it is not purchased in cash. Two accounts are involved. One is my stock will increase. Stock, how much?
11,200.
Amount I'm not able to see properly. 11,200. My asset will increase, and I am purchasing from Sun and Co. I am purchasing from Sun and Co. That means it is a cash purchase or a credit purchase?
Credit purchase.
Credit purchase. When it is because whenever they give the name, see, if it is cash purchase, they will mention bought goods in cash. Since they have mentioned the name of the party, it is a credit purchase. So my creditor, I have to pay this in future. My liability will increase. My liability will increase. So two accounts which are involved. One is stock will increase, which is an asset, 11,200. And I will introduce under the liability, I will introduce a category called creditors. Creditors will increase by 11,200. My new accounting equation. what was the problem in this, guys? Where did we go wrong? Where did we go wrong?
Sir, they didn't mention they got the goods from credit.
Yeah. Okay. I understand. I understand the problem now. So whenever it is given bought goods in cash, then only it is a cash. See, they can always confuse you also. To confuse you, they could have given like this: bought goods from Sun and Co. in cash. When they give like this, bought goods from Sun and Co. in cash, is it a cash purchase or credit purchase?
Cash purchase.
Because they have mentioned it's a cash purchase. When they mention that they have bought goods in cash, it is a cash purchase. When they do not mention anything, it is always a credit purchase, guys. Clear? Bought goods from Sun and Co. means it's a credit purchase. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Okay. One important learning: when we practice, we think differently, actually. Very, very good point that you thought it is goods purchased in cash. That is the kind of thought that comes when we write the exam. Clear? So when we practice it, now when you practice it, now it will get registered in your mind. Next time when you see the same accounting equation, you will not make a mistake. Clear? It's okay. It's absolutely okay. But the mistakes will also only happen when you practice it, right? It's important to make mistakes also. So that is why practice is important. Okay, I am here to correct all your mistakes, but you have to make mistakes for that. Clear? I mean, when you practice it, definitely there are going to be some mistakes. It's absolutely okay. In class, we are here to rectify all the mistakes, because I want in exam no mistake should happen. Okay, for that, practice it, guys. Clear? Any doubt now? Can we move to the second one? It was easy. This was easy. Everything will be easy, guys. Nothing is tough. We'll move to the second problem now. Practical problem 2. Practical problem 2. Second one, okay, second one is also a very small one. It will not take more than 2 minutes. Now this is my second problem. I will take the header from there. Heading is also important, guys. Accounting equation. Okay. Now there are 4 transactions. First is very simple. Gopinath started business with cash. Okay. Serial number 1. Gopinath started business with cash. Quickly, guys, don't wait for me. Tell the answer.
Cash and capital, sir.
Cash and capital. How much it is? Amount is
25,000.
25,000. Fantastic. Next one. What is the next one, guys? Purchase goods from Sham. Now, is cash given, guys?
No,
Is it
sir.
a credit purchase or cash purchase?
Credit, sir.
Good.
Fantastic.
Purchase, sir.
So I will have to introduce a new category under liability.
Credit.
Liability, one creditor will appear. So what will happen? And in asset, which category I have to introduce in asset now?
Goods, sir.
Goods, or we can call it as stock. Okay, purchase goods from Sham. What was the amount, guys?
10,000.
10,000. So 10,000 in stock and 10,000 in creditors. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next step. What is the next step, guys?
New accounting
New accounting equation.
New accounting equation. Fantastic.
That was.
Okay. So it's done. 2 equations already over. Now I'm going to the third one.
Third one is sold goods to so on costing rupees
Sold
1,800 and
Sold.
1,500.
sold goods to.
Sham.
Okay. Interesting
No,
thing.
no, sir, no, sir. Sohan.
Sold goods to
Sohan.
Sohan costing rupees
1,800. 1,800 and 1,500.
costing 800. Okay, costing 1,800 for rupees 1,500. Okay. Okay. Now let me break this down for you guys. Okay. Sold goods to Sohan. Cost of the goods is 1,800, but Sohan is my friend. I am telling boss, you take it for 1,500. One by one, guys. What is the cash that is coming, guys? How much cash I will receive?
1,500.
1,500.
It is asset increase, right? Increase in asset is 1,500. Fantastic, guys. Now I am selling goods costing 1,800. So my stock will reduce by how much?
1,800.
1,800 my stock will reduce. Decrease in asset. Decrease in asset. My stock will reduce by 1,800. If something which is for 1,800, I sell for 1,500, I am making a loss or profit?
Loss.
Loss. Loss. How much is the loss? 300.
300.
Loss will increase my capital or decrease my capital?
Decrease cap.
Decrease in capital. Now you are ready to plot it now. How much should I reduce? How much should I increase in cash?
1,500.
1,500. How much should I reduce from stock?
1,800.
1,800.
And how much should I
Sir, we
increase?
should put the bracket to 1,800, sir.
Minus and bracket both means same.
Okay.
Okay. We can put it in bracket also. We can put it, show it as
Sir,
minus.
sir, we should minus both, sir. 1,500 and 1,800. Is that right?
No, asset will increase, right? When you are selling, you will get a cash, right? Okay. And my capital will decrease or increase?
Decrease, sir.
Decrease.
Minus 300. So what is the new accounting equation, guys?
When
For 2,000, 2,65,000.
Any doubt?
26,500, sir.
Fantastic. Any doubt, guys?
no,
Any doubt? Okay. What is the fourth one? Gopinath.
Gopinath withdrew from business rupees 5,000.
Okay. Gopinath withdrew from business rupees
5,000.
Okay. 1 second, guys. This sold goods to Sohan costing rupees 1,800 is not a cash sales, it is a credit sales. So Sohan is my, sorry, I read it as cash sales. It is not a cash sale, it is what? It is a credit sales. So my instead of cash, my debtors will increase. My debtors will increase by 1,500. My debtors will increase by 1,500. Clear? If it is a cash sales, yes, cash will increase. But is this a cash sale or a credit sale? Sold goods to Sohan. Is it anywhere mentioned that it is sold in cash?
No, sir.
No. Then it is a credit sale. No one identified it. It is a credit sale. So how much my debt? Whenever we make a credit purchase, my creditor will increase. Whenever I make a credit sale, my debtor will increase. Clear? Debtor means, credit sale means increase in debtors. Debtors is also an asset. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? Clear, guys? Next is Gopinath withdrew from business. Gopinath
Withdrew from business that rupees 5,000.
withdrew from business rupees 5,000. When Gopinath will withdraw from business, two things will happen. One is my cash will reduce in the business, minus 5,000. What is the second impact, guys? What is the second impact?
Capital.
Sir, capital reduce.
Capital will reduce by 5,000 because it is a withdrawal out of capital. He will withdraw his capital. So when he makes a withdrawal, his capital will decrease. So this is the final accounting equation, guys. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
This
sir.
is clear, guys. Sohan, this transaction is clear. Sohan sold goods to Sohan. This transaction is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mark that as
Yes, sir.
important. When you are revising it, you can revise that also. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
We completed 3 questions. I started the discussion around 7:10. Now it is 7:20. It does not take more than 5 minutes, and I'm explaining also. If I don't explain, I can, each of this can be completed in 3 minutes time. Okay. Additional 5 to 6 minutes, so it's only because of the explanation that I'm giving. Okay. So 3 questions are over. Let's do question number 4. Pranav, are you following it?
Yes, sir.
Next time I should not hear that excuse that you did not find time. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'm just listening only, sir.
Not listening. You have to practice also.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Which one we have to do now? Question number 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 3. Aditya, you are following the class now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. First one is as usual, whatever we do always. Gurman started business with cash. How much is the amount, guys?
20,000.
20,000, sir.
Gurman started business with cash, 20,000.
20,000.
Here, 20,000 here and 20,000 in capital.
Yep.
Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next one. What is the next one?
We purchased furniture for rupees 2,000.
Purchase furniture for
Rupees 2,000.
cash purchase or credit purchase, guys?
Credit.
Sir,
Credit.
furniture is supposed to come in asset. Sir, furniture we should
Yeah. It will come. It will come. He purchased furniture for 2,000. Anywhere it is given the name of the party from whom he has purchased?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
That means this is a cash purchase, guys. This is a cash purchase. If it is mentioned that purchase furniture for rupees 2,000 from someone, then it can be a credit purchase. Okay. He purchased furniture for 2,000. So minus 2,000 in cash, and we have to introduce a category called furniture 2,000. Any doubt? Okay. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Next,
sir.
next one.
No, sir.
Next one is he paid rent. Rent paid. How much is the rent paid?
Sir,
Sir,
You make
we should put new accounting equation, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. New accounting equation. New accounting equation. What is the new accounting equation, guys? 18,000. Fine. Yes. Next one. What is the next transaction, guys?
He paid rent of 200.
Paid rent of 200. So which are the when I pay rent, what will happen to my cash?
It'll decrease, sir.
My cash will
Decreases.
decrease minus 200. And rent is an expense, right?
So
It will
right now,
increase my capital or decrease my capital?
decrease.
Decrease capital.
Decrease my capital. Again, new accounting equation. Fantastic, guys. You guys are responding very well.
17,008.
Calculation, please don't look at my screen. All of you, please take your notebook. Practice with me. Only looking at me will not help you, guys. Only looking at me will not help you, because you are the one who have to write the exam. Exam is not on keyboard. Exam is not on laptop. You have to have a habit of writing. Clear? Next one. What is the next one, guys?
He purchased goods on credit for rupees
No.
3,000.
Purchase goods on credit for rupees
Credit
for.
Credit for rupees
3,000.
3,000.
Now it is clearly mentioned. It is purchased on credit. I will introduce a category called stock. My stock will increase by 3,000 rupees. And what will the next impact? When I purchase goods on credit, my liability will increase. What is the name of the liability?
Creditor.
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 Fantastic. Creditor. So 3,000 rupees, my creditor will also increase. So my new accounting equation now will be any doubt, guys? No? Finding it easy?
Yes, sir.
Finding it easy, difficult? What is the, how are you finding it?
Finding easy, sir.
Yes.
Finding easy, sir.
Okay. Everything will be easy, guys.
Yes, sir.
Just follow the concepts. Next one. Sold goods. This you have to tell me, guys.
Sold goods costing price 2,000 in cash for 5,000.
Sold goods. Sold goods. Cost price is 2,000.
Cash for 5,000.
Cost price is 2,000. In cash. Sold
Sir,
in
in
cash.
profit 3,000. Capital.
Profit
capital
3,000, sir.
Yeah.
Capital.
Let's break it down for
Sir,
everyone to understand. Let's break it down, guys.
Uh.
How much cash I will get?
5,000, sir.
5,000, sir.
So my asset will increase.
Goods will decrease, sir.
Stock will decrease by 2,000.
Stock will decrease by 2,000, sir.
Asset decrease. Something which is for 2,000, I'm selling for 5,000. I'm making a
Profit.
Profit, sir.
Profit.
what will happen when profit happens? What will happen?
Capital
Capital
increases.
Increase.
Increases. Fantastic response, guys. 5,000 cash minus 2,000 stock. And what else, guys?
3,000
Third
in
impact.
capital.
What is the
3,000.
3,000 in capital.
Capital
2,000
increases
capital,
by
sir.
3,000.
3,000 in capital? Fantastic, guys. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic, guys. Any doubt? This is my new accounting equation.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Fantastic. Where were you stuck, Aditya? Where were you stuck? You told that you had some doubts. What was your doubt?
Sir, I write on my transfer that cash furniture stock. I think I made a mistake in writing that
Okay.
report account.
Okay. See, one good thing or one thing that you should look at it to all of you guys. When you practice and if you're not getting the answer right, when we discuss here, try to realize what went wrong. And once you realize what went wrong, that mistake will not happen again in exam.
I read.
You can make
I really, sir.
I got stuck, I think.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I lost my network. I think I'm back now. Okay. So I was telling you can make as many mistakes in class and at home, but do not repeat that mistake. In exam, we should not have any mistake. That is our objective, right?
Okay, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. So 3 questions we completed, guys. We'll move to practical problem 4. Accounting equation. Okay. Question number 4.
Question number 4 is prepare accounting equation from the following. Start business with
Okay.
cash rupees 1 lakh and goods 20,000.
Okay. Let me do it for all of you guys. Because this chapter is new, let me do it for all of you guys. Again, as usual, I will copy the format. Okay. Let us go logically, guys. You have to tell me, even though you find a new transaction, just try to understand. Started business with cash 1 lakh and goods 20,000. No problem. There are 2 things now. He is introducing cash and he is introducing goods also.
Good, sir. Good stock.
So 2 things will come in the business. Cash, 2 things will come in
And
the
stock,
business.
sir.
He is introducing cash and he is also introducing goods. How much cash he is bringing? 1 lakh. How much goods he is bringing? He is telling that I have goods also available with me. I want to put this in my business. 20,000 worth of stock he is putting into the business. His total capital, all this is capital only. Cash is also capital, goods is also capital. His total capital will be 1,20,000. Okay. So if I want
So,
to see,
sir,
if I want, yeah, cash is
Sir,
introduced. Yeah, tell me.
so goods also, if goods increases in a starting business, so capital will get affected.
Yeah. See, he is a businessman. He owns a mobile shop. Already he has 5 brand new mobiles available with him. He is telling that I will bring this mobile also into my business. Now this mobile will become part of my business. So he's telling 1 lakh rupees I will put in the form of cash. Already I am having 5 brand new mobiles with me. That brand new mobiles also I will sell in my business. So that is goods he is bringing into the business. Clear? So both of them are capital for him. Okay.
Sir, I think I made a mistake in that in my.
Yeah, that is no problem because I never discussed this before. So it's okay. Now you understood the concept? Okay. I did not discuss
Yes,
with any one of you this concept before. It's absolutely okay. See, you guys are learning this chapter itself for the first time. Accounts is also first time. Don't worry about mistakes. There are no mistakes. It's all learning for you guys. You're not making mistakes. You're only learning now. Clear? So there are absolutely no mistakes, guys. It's all part of your learning. Clear? Okay. Cash 1 lakh, stock 1 lakh, and my capital is. So capital increase is how much? Asset increase. This is asset increase, and this is also asset increase. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mark this as important. Whenever you are revising it, revise this also, so that you don't make a mistake again. You don't go wrong. Okay, I should not use the word mistake. It is part of your learning, guys. Sold goods costing 10,000 for 12,000. Just now we did it, guys. Sold goods costing, ignore spelling mistakes, guys, costing 10,000. for rupees 12,000. Okay.
Cash will increase, stock will
Cash.
decrease, and
Cash will
Capital.
increase.
stock
Cash
will
will
decrease.
increase. Cash will increase by how much?
12,000, sir.
12,000. My
Stock
stock
will
will decrease by
10,000.
12,000.
10,000.
asset decrease. Asset decreases. And when I, sorry, goods
So
costing
stock will
10,000.
decrease by 10,000.
Yeah,
10,000.
stock will decrease by 10,000. And when I sell something, 10,000 rupees thing, I am selling for 12,000.
Sir,
So what will
2000
happen?
capital, 2000
Capital.
capital.
2,000.
2,000 capital increase. Capital increase because it is a profit. Okay. Fantastic, guys. So goods costing 10,000, for 12,000, I am increasing cash. 10,000, I am decreasing stock. And 2,000, I will increase my capital. Any doubt?
No,
Yes,
sir. No doubt.
Any doubt? Okay. Fantastic, guys. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the next transaction, guys?
Ah.
Purchase furniture on credit. They
For
already given it
rupees
as
3,000, 30,000
purchased furniture
on credit for rupees 30,000.
rupees 30,000. Tell me the two impacts, guys, very fast. One,
Furniture,
Furniture will increase, liabilities also increase, sir.
fantastic,
furniture
guys.
and
Furniture will
credit
increase
card.
And
credit
creditors
card.
for furniture.
And credit card will
Liabilities
increase.
increase, sir.
Fantastic,
Creditors also
fantastic,
there, sir.
guys. Fantastic, guys. So furniture is how much? 30,000.
30,000.
And credit card
30,000.
is how
And
much?
liabilities also 30,000, sir.
Yeah. Guys, what are you supposed to do tomorrow before my next class? What are you supposed to do before my next class, guys? Practice,
Revise.
You should practice, sir.
practice all this 1 to 6 again, guys. The reason is only practice can help you score the maximum, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You will understand everything in class, but when you write, then only you will realize if there is a mistake or something, your thoughts will trigger actually. Whenever you start writing, your thoughts will trigger. And once you go through that phase of writing yourself, you will never make a mistake in exam. Our objective is exam, guys. So don't skip the practice part. Don't skip, guys.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
Fantastic. To be very honest, I really enjoy taking classes for you guys. This actually, because you are a set of very young students who are very new to accounts, and your energy is amazing actually. So,
Thank you, sir.
and the interactions that you are doing, right? So it keeps me going actually. So it's very lively that you have kept the entire class. So keep it like that. Only thing is practice along with me. That is also important. Fine. Fantastic, guys. Problem number 5. We have 7 transactions. Let's do it.
Mohan commences business with cash.
Yeah. Let me start. Let me start with taking the question. Okay. My screen is clear to you, right, guys? Oh, sorry. This is practical problem number 5, right? My screen is visible to you, right? You guys, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please keep talking, guys, because I'm not able to see you when I'm presenting. I don't see any one of you. So only if I hear voices, I know that you are still in the class. Otherwise, I will think that I am the only one in the class. Okay. So keep talking to me. Serial number 1. What is the first transaction, guys? Mohan commence business with cash.
Mohan commence business with cash of rupees
Cash will increase and
50,000.
capital decrease.
Okay, I missed something. I missed something before starting the question. Anyone can tell me what did I miss?
Accounting equation.
Accounting equation. To score full marks, everything has to be perfect. If you don't write this, you will lose marks. Perfection has to be absolutely, we have to be perfect if we want to score everything. Mohan commence business with cash. Okay. Again, this I don't have to repeat, guys. You can tell me what are the two accounts involved?
Cash will increase
Cash
and
account and capital account.
50,000.
50,000.
Everyone, this
capital
is
also 50,000.
this is a transaction which will never go. First transaction will always be this. Purchase goods for cash.
Cash 30,000.
Quickly, impacts. Tell me the impacts, guys.
Cash will decrease. The
Stock
Cash
account
account
will
decreases,
increase and
stock
cash
account
will
increases.
Cash decreases and what happens?
goods.
Stock
Stock
increase.
increases.
Stock, sir. Stock.
Yes, sir. Stock increases.
Stock increases. Okay. Fantastic, guys. New accounting
New
equation.
accounting equation.
Calculation. Tell me quickly
20,000.
calculation.
20 plus
Fantastic.
20 is equal to 50.
Yes, yes, yes.
30,000 and a
Fantastic. Two equations over immediately. Next one, third one.
Purchase goods on credit 20,000.
Purchase
purchase goods on credit, sir. Stock will
goods.
increase and liabilities also increase, sir.
Stock account increases.
How much is this?
Creditors account
20,000.
20,000.
20,000. sir.
Stock increases. I have to introduce a liability called creditor.
Liabilities
Creditor.
also increase, sir.
20,000. New accounting equation again, guys. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Fantastic. Let's go faster. Fourth one.
Sold
Sold
goods
goods.
costing 10,000.
Sir, cash will increase, stock will decrease, capital will decrease.
Sold goods costing rupees 10,000.
10,000 for rupees 12,000.
12,000.
Will decrease, capital increases.
Now I don't have to plot it and tell you that. You can tell me sold goods costing 10,000 for rupees 12,000. Cash increased by 12,000. Goods.
Goods decrease by
Cash
10%.
increased by 12,000.
Will
2,000 capital increase.
Minus 10,000 and 2,000 capital increases.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic, guys. Everyone is participating now. I can see the change in you guys. More students are participating in this class. Fantastic, guys. Equation 5.
Bought furniture on credit 2,000.
Bought.
furniture increases and liabilities increases, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Bought furniture on credit for how much?
For
2,000.
2,000. Okay. I'm not seeing the book or neither anything. You have to tell me, guys. So furniture is how much?
2,000, sir.
Furniture
2,000.
is
2,000.
2,000.
2,000.
On credit.
Liabilities,
On
2,000.
credit means my creditors will increase.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Liabilities also 2,000.
Creditors will increase by
10,000.
2,000.
Yes, we have increased the creditors now. This is my new accounting equation. Fantastic, guys. Next one.
paid cash to a creditor
Paid cash
rupees
to a
15,000.
creditor.
Cash will reduce.
Paid cash to a creditor.
Cash will decrease and
Cash will decrease and creditors will also decrease.
I am decreasing my cash 15,000 minus 15,000 and creditor minus 15,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next step, new accounting equation.
No code equation something thousand.
Quickly, guys, you have to calculate in your mind immediately.
Okay.
Okay. Be active along with me, guys.
Count salary paid up to rupees 10,000.
10,000 or 1,000.
1,000, sir.
1,000,
10,000,
sir.
sir. See, 1,000, 1,000.
Don't make that mistake.
Okay, size.
Okay, cash will decrease. And what will happen to the next adjustment?
Capital will
Increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Capital decreases, sir.
Decrease, guys. Fantastic. New account. See, done in less than 5 minutes, guys. Less than 5 minutes, so many equations completed, guys. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when will this liabilities fully finish?
When we fully pay, if we pay another 7,000, this liability will get completed. We have not paid that, right? The question got over, but yeah, if you pay it fully, the liability will get fully over.
Like when will it is like paid fully settlement? Like
There is, in my last class, in fact, in question number 6, we will discuss that. Your query will discuss in question number 6. Okay, last one, guys. Last one. I'm still in my last class only. I have not started my today's class, what I was expected to start. Okay, so we'll complete this also, then we will move to today's class. No problem, guys. Question number 6. Okay, we'll take another 5 minutes to complete, then we'll move to today's discussion, guys. Again, I missed something. What was that? Accounting equation. Started business with cash. This is a transaction which we have.
Cash increases and the capital
Cash
also.
account and capital account.
cash
Okay,
account,
I will
capital
just-
account are involved, sir.
I will just copy it here. Commence business with cash. How much is the amount, guys?
70,000.
Sir, 70,000, sir.
70,000. I have 70,000. Fine. Now, second transaction. Credit purchase of goods.
Credit purchase of goods.
Stock increases and liability also increases.
18,000.
18,000, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Now all of you are in sync. Stock 18,000. My liability will also increase by 18,000.
18,000, sir.
18,000. 2 transactions over. What we have to do now?
New
Accounting equation.
New accounting equation.
70,000.
Okay. Very straightforward. No addition. Nothing.
Payment
number
made to creditors in full statement, rupees 17,500.
Okay. Let me explain this, guys. Wait a moment. Payment to creditors.
Sir, they gave 500 discount, sir, so it will add in capital.
Okay, let me explain this, guys. You are absolutely right. I am making a payment to creditors. How much cash is paid, guys? Cash is paid for 7,500. Decrease in asset. In full settlement. In full settlement means I am paying my entire creditor. How much is my creditor, guys?
18,000.
18,000.
18,000, sir.
Entire liability is over. Decrease in?
So 0, sir.
Decrease in? Entire liability has become 0 now. I am paying 17,500 to settle 18,000. I make a profit of how much? I am
500.
paying lesser amount. For settling 18,000, I am paying 17,500. 5,000 is profit, which will increase in capital. Clear? So minus 17,500 in cash. Creditor, how much? 17,500 or 18,000?
0, right? 80,000.
Yeah, how much I have to reduce?
Okay, 80,000.
17.
Entire 18,000 and 500 will be increase in capital. Clear, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Your question is answered, Aditya?
Yes, sir. That was my little doubt in sixth question.
Okay. Fine. Next one.
Purchase of machinery for cash rupees 20,000.
Purchase of machinery.
For cash rupees 20,000.
Cash decreases and machinery increases, sir.
Machinery. I will introduce one asset. Machinery. 20,000. Fantastic, guys. You guys have become quick now.
New accounting equation, sir.
Okay. New accounting equation is
32.
fine. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir. No doubt.
Next is last equation. Last equation. What is the now last equation?
Depreciation on machinery.
Depreciation and machinery.
Rupees 2,000.
Depreciation on machinery 2,000. See, they can also give depreciation on machinery at the rate of 10%. Depreciation on machinery at the rate of 10%. That also will mean the same. 10% on what? How much is my machinery? 20,000. 10% of 20,000 will be 2,000.
2,000.
Here they have given the amount directly. They can also give in percentage. When depreciation will happen on machinery, my machinery asset will reduce.
Loss.
And it is an expense. It is a loss. My capital will also reduce. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. This is my answer, guys. Okay. It took me 45 minutes with explanations, guys. Without explanation, it will take only 30 minutes. So 6 question, not more than 3 to 4 minutes per question, guys. Clear? Okay. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Everything clear.
Fantastic. Okay. So now I can move to today's discussion. Today we have to discuss illustration. Till illustration 3 we completed, right? Now I will move to illustration 4. Illustration 4. Just see whether anything is required. Okay. Purchase goods from credit withdraw cash for personal use from bank. Okay, let me discuss illustration 4. Serial number 1, as always, is Ram started business with cash 25,000 and check of 25,000.
Cash in bank.
Ram started business with cash 25,000 and check of 25,000. What does it mean, guys?
Cash and bank 25,000.
Sir, he has a cash in hand as well as cash in bank.
Cash in hand, and he's introducing 25,000 rupees as his bank account balance. So cash 25,000, his bank account balance will increase by 25,000, and capital is how much, guys? Capital is how much?
50,000.
50,000. Any doubt? Next one is purchase goods on credit. This we have discussed so many times now.
Goods will increase and liabilities also increase.
Sir, stock account will increase and creditor account will also increase.
How much is the amount, guys?
4,000, sir.
4,000, sir.
4,000, sir.
4,000, sir.
4,000 and 4,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Third one. Purchased goods on cash.
Cash.
Purchased goods for cash. How much?
1,000, sir.
1,000, sir. 1,000 rupees.
Goods for cash.
Cash
1,000
will decrease.
minus
Cash
1,000.
will decrease and stock will increase, sir.
Increase and stuff.
Stock will increase. Fantastic, guys. I am happy that you are traveling faster than me. Okay. Next one, guys.
Purchase furniture for cash rupees 500.
This one is very easy for all of you.
Decrease and the furniture will increase.
Cash will decrease,
Okay.
furniture
Ignore
will
all typo, guys. Minus 500 and furniture. I have to introduce, right? Furniture is there already?
No, sir.
Sir.
No. So let me introduce.
Mm.
Furniture, what I have to do?
Mm.
Add. Okay. Any doubt?
No doubt,
No,
sir.
sir.
Oh,
Very good, guys.
No, sir.
Next one. What is the fifth one?
Withdraw cash for personal use from bank.
From bank, withdrew cash for. Just now we did it.
Cash will increase, bank will reduce.
Withdrew cash for personal use.
cash.
For personal.
Cash will increase,
Oh.
bank will decrease, sir.
Okay. Not like that, guys. See, whenever something
Sir,
is
both
withdrawn
will
for
decrease.
personal use, whenever. Okay, let me explain to you guys. What is withdrawn? Cash. How much? 700. Decrease in asset. Withdrew cash from personal use. From bank. So from bank account, 700 rupees. See, when I withdraw from my bank, when you withdraw cash from your ATM, your bank balance will reduce or cash balance will reduce.
Bank
You are going
balance.
to ATM and withdrawing 700.
Bank
Your bank balance
balance.
will. So
Bank
asset will reduce. Asset will reduce. Your which asset will reduce? Cash or bank? Bank balance.
Bank.
Bank.
Clear? Now it is for personal use. It is for business use or personal use?
Personal use.
Personal use,
Okay.
sir. So cash
So
will decrease.
it is when it is for personal use, we call it as
Drawing.
drawings. And drawings will always be reducing the capital.
Reduce the capital.
Reduction in decrease in capital. Decrease in capital. How much? 700 rupees. All of you were right. If I change this as if I remove this word, withdrew cash from bank. Withdrew cash from bank means what will happen? My bank account will reduce, and what will happen? My cash account will increase. My asset will reduce, and asset will increase. Which asset will increase? Cash will increase. And which asset will decrease? Cash will decrease. If the wordings were like this. But we have wording called personal use. What wording we have?
Personal
I have
use.
highlighted personal use. Since it is a personal use, it will be treated as drawings, Drawings is reduction in capital. Are you getting the difference, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
personal use word is not given, every one of you, what you told is correct. My bank account will reduce and my cash account will increase. Now my bank account will reduce by 700. And what will happen to my capital? My capital will reduce. Why?
Capital will also reduce.
Because in bracket you can mention as
Plus.
drawings.
Right.
In bracket, for your understanding, you can mention it as drawings. In your
Now, new
book
accounting
also you can
equation.
highlight it. In your book also you can put it as drawings, guys. Highlight that and put it as drawings. Next time you will not make. Next time
Bank's
this
answer is
will not-
245.
Any doubt, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
5 equations over. Paid rent.
200 rupees. 200.
Paid rent 200. Very simple.
Cash will
Cash
increase.
account and capital account both will reduce, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Fast, guys. We have to complete another question also. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Received interest from bank next.
Received interest from bank.
From bank rupees 100.
Bank will increase.
Sorry? See, when I receive interest from my bank account balance will increase, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much?
100 rupees.
100
rupees.
100 rupees, sir.
And this interest is my income or expense?
Income.
Income. My capital will also increase.
Increase.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Okay. What is the next one, guys?
Sold goods on credit costing 500 to 700.
Sold goods costing
500,
rupees 500 for
Plus
700.
700.
700.
700.
We don't have to write below. Now we are capable of doing it directly. Sold goods costing 500. So how much cash I will receive?
700.
How much stock will reduce?
500.
500.
How much
500.
profit I am making?
200.
200.
200.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. You did not even think twice. Okay. That is the reason I was writing it down. Now you have understood that. We don't have to write it down now. We can process faster now. Fantastic, guys.
Okay.
Okay. This is the new accounting equation. Next one. Paid to creditors. How much?
Paid to
400
creditors.
rupees. Rupees 400.
400, sir.
Minus 400.
Minus 400.
Cash and creditors are involved.
Capital loss.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, I can pay from my cash also. I can pay from my bank account also. But we will always use my cash first. Until the question tells that you have to use bank account, we will use cash. Till the time cash is available. Fine.
Okay.
Next. Paid petty expenses. Petty expenses means
200 rupees.
small expenses.
Sir, minor expenses can't be recorded.
No, we can.
Cash and
We have to record
cash
it.
is
We have to
involved.
record it. Why we should not record? We have to record because we are spending.
So
Sir,
cash is
like
involved.
in a group, sir, like we get stationaries or
Yeah.
something like
Small
including all.
expenses. Petty expenses, chota mota expenses. So minus 200 will go from cash, and my profit will reduce.
Sir, I said we can't record it like separate.
No
all of
problem.
this.
I forgot to put a new question.
Okay. Yeah, I will put it now. Okay. Now it is visible.
Yes.
Okay. Now paid petty expenses will
492 hundreds the capital is.
20 to 200. Okay, I think some calculation mistake. Huh? How much is interest received, guys? Interest received I have not mentioned. I have mentioned some sold goods costing.
49,200, sir.
Okay.
It will come.
Sorry. This one, sold goods costing 500 rupees, 500 for rupees 700 on credit or cash? I'm not reading the question, guys. You have to tell me completely. On credit or cash?
On credit, sir.
On credit. Then will I get cash? I will not get cash. When I sell goods on credit, what will happen? No. I am selling goods. It's not a liability. My debtors will increase, right? My debtors will increase by how much? ₹700. Tell me the question completely, guys, because I'm not following the book. Neither I'm following the screen, guys. Just how I happened to notice in the book actually when I was reading it. Okay. So what will happen? 500 rupees stock will reduce. Debtors will come for 700 rupees and profit is 200, guys. Clear? The last one, petty cash expenses. 200 rupees will go out of cash and 200 rupees my capital will
And
also.
200 rupees in capital also.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This one is clear? Sold goods costing
Yes, sir.
500.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please. See, small change in, if I remove the word on credit, the question changes. I only noted till here. When I moved, when I saw the words on credit in book, then the answer changes. Clear? On credit means I have to introduce what? Debtors. If it is cash, I have to put in cash. If it is on credit, I have to introduce debtors. Clear, guys? Are you getting the difference?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So help me with the correct question, guys. Because I am relying on you to tell me the questions. I am not looking at the book or this one. Okay. So this completes my discussion on question number 4. Now let us take illustration 6. Now, illustration 6. Let us take few important adjustments are there. Illustration 6. Illustration 5, you can have a look or maybe we'll discuss maybe later also. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Let us go to illustration 6.
Illustration 5.
We'll do it. We will do it. Not now.
Okay.
Maybe in tomorrow's class we will discuss. Because I want to cover a larger problem. Okay. Illustration 6. I wanted to cover 7 also. But 7 I will give it as homework to you. 7. Okay, 7 I cannot give as homework. I think there are something new is there. Okay, illustration
Sir, it
6 we
is
will
to
discuss.
prepare balance sheet.
Which one?
7th one, sir.
7th one. Okay. Illustration 6 we will discuss. Okay, so tell me guys, what is the first transaction? Is our usual transaction?
Commence business with cash for rupees 50,000.
Commence business with cash for rupees 50,000.
Anil, sir, Anil sir, that is.
Whosoever it is, not a problem.
Okay, so
Anil. Okay, no problem. Fine. So we have to introduce two accounts now. Cash, another is
Capital.
Capital.
capital. 50,000 in cash and 50,000 in
Capital.
capital. Okay. Let me put some lines here. Okay. Cash and capital. Okay. Second one, purchase goods. Purchase goods.
Purchase
For-
goods for cash for rupees 20,000 and on credit 30,000.
20,000 and on credit
30,000.
okay. Now you can tell me directly, guys. How much cash will increase? How much cash will increase?
20,000, sir.
20,000, sir.
20,000. Sorry, how much cash will decrease? Decrease. It will decrease 20,000. How much stock will increase?
Stock will increase on 50,000.
50,000. Both cash and credit both will increase my stock. And when I take goods on credit, I will get what? I will get a
Liability.
liability.
Liability creditor.
Creditor.
Sir.
Liabilities creditor. How much liability will increase?
30,000, sir.
30,000.
Fantastic. We are done with two transactions.
New equation.
That is new accounting equation, sir.
Yes, yes. New accounting
30,000.
equation. Yes, you are absolutely right. Calculation, you guys have to tell me. Don't wait for my calculation.
30,000 plus 50,000.
Laptop will always do it correctly. You guys have to do it correctly. Fine.
30,000.
Third one. What is the third one? Sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash 40,000. The costing of these goods was
30.
costing 30,000.
30.
Quickly, guys. Now you have to tell me the
Cash.
interest. Cash, how much?
40,000.
40,000,
40,000. Stock, how much will reduce?
30,000.
30,000.
I make a profit or loss.
Profit of 10,000.
What will happen to the profit? What it will do?
Increase capital of 10,000.
Capital will increase at 10,000.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Wonderful response. Complete the accounting equation. Calculation, don't wait for me, guys. Tell me. Stock, how much?
6,000, sir.
20,000, sir.
Capital.
Fine. Don't wait for me. You have to keep telling.
Okay.
70,000 plus 20,000.
30 and 60.
6.
Fine. Next one. What is the next one?
Rent paid 5,500. Salaries 5,000.
Rent paid
Cash.
300 and salary is.
5,000.
5,000.
See, both are same transactions only.
Cash.
Rent and salary both will decrease my
Cash.
cash. Okay, I can show it as separately, guys. It will be good to show it separately because these are not single transactions. These are two different transactions. So rent paid and salary paid. Okay. I have to show separately because these are two different transactions. So rent will decrease my cash by 500. Salary will decrease my cash by 5,000.
5,000.
And both will decrease my
Capital.
capital by 500. And this will decrease my capital by 5,000. So new accounting equation I will put after both of them because both are given as single point.
Sir,
6,000.
Bruh, I saw it.
64,500.
Yes. 64,500.
4,500.
Clear? Next one. What is the next one, guys?
Rent outstanding rupees 100. Salaries outstanding rupees 1,000.
Okay. Rent outstanding rupees 100. Salary outstanding rupees 1,000.
Capital will decrease.
I will come to this. Rent outstanding. How much? 100.
Rent outstanding is 100. Salary outstanding is 1,000.
Okay. Now rent is my expenses, right? So my capital will decrease by 100 and my salary will also decrease my capital. See, outstanding rent, we follow accrual concept of accounting. In accrual concept of accounting, we don't wait whether the rent is paid or not, we don't wait. Okay. Whenever I have enjoyed and utilized the premises, my expenses will increase. So on one side, for rent outstanding two impact. Rent outstanding two impact. My rent will increase in expenses, and I have not paid it. Rent outstanding is what? Liability. Whenever my landlord sees me outside, he will ask, where is my rent? So I have a liability. Liability, increase in liability. When expenses will increase, what will happen to my capital? Capital will
Decrease.
Fantastic. This is the same for rent outstanding and salary outstanding. For both, same explanation, guys. For both, same explanation. Instead of rent, it will become salary and salary outstanding. Salary and salary outstanding. Okay. Explanation is same. When I don't pay salary, there will be still an increase in expenses of salary and also an increase in liability called salary outstanding. Okay. So now rent outstanding, we will not put both rent outstanding and salary outstanding. Instead, we can use a common word called outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses. We will put a common word which will include both rent and salary. Outstanding expenses. I'm not naming rent outstanding and salary outstanding separately, guys. We can put a common word called outstanding expenses. Clear? Outstanding expenses. How much liability will increase? 100 rupees liability for rent, 500 rupees liability for salary. Any doubt?
No, sir.
What will happen to capital? My capital will decrease because both are expenses. Expenses will decrease my capital. Clear? Any doubt? Mark this transaction as important, guys. Whenever you have to revise, you have to revise this transaction also.
Okay.
Any doubt, guys? I will repeat again. When I don't pay rent, my rent expenses will increase. When I don't pay rent, my rent expenses will increase. And when I don't pay salary, my salary expense will also increase. And when I don't pay, my liability will also increase, guys. When expenses increase, what will happen to capital? My capital will? What will happen to capital? Capital will? Guys, what happened? Battery low? For everyone, battery is low. What? When my expenses will increase, what will happen to capital? Capital will?
Decrease, sir.
Yes, sir.
Capital will decrease. Okay. What is the next one? We are almost through, guys.
Bought furniture for rupees 5,000 on credit.
We are almost done. Bought
Furniture
for
for rupees
5,000 rupees on credit.
on credit.
on credit. Okay. So two impact, guys. What are the two impact? One is my asset will increase.
Asset.
I will one is asset will increase. I will introduce an asset called furniture. And what will happen to liability?
Increase, sir.
Okay. My liability, all creditors will also increase. So my new accounting equation will be Next one, just few more transaction, guys. What is the next one?
Bought refrigerator for personal use, 5,000 paid cash.
Okay, bought. They are tricking you here, guys. Bought refrigerator for
Sir, we should
5,000
also add a
Cash
refrigerator
will reduce.
at the sir.
personal use. Bought refrigerator for personal use, paid in cash. Okay.
Drawings.
Whenever the word personal use comes, it means it is a drawing. And how I am paying for paying for this? I am
By
paying in
cash.
cash. So minus 5,000 will go in cash. And whenever it's a drawing, it is what? It is my decrease in
Capital.
decrease in capital. The use of word refrigerator is only to confuse you. It is not an asset. It is not an asset of the business. He is
Yes.
withdrawing cash, and whatever he buys, whether he buys refrigerator, whether he buys sofa, or whether he buy mobile phone, it is his personal thing. It is not for the business, right? So for the business, it is what? For the business, it is only a drawing.
Drawings.
Drawing is reduction in capital. This word refrigerator is only to confuse the students. Clear? Any doubt?
No.
Pranav, clear to you?
Yes, sir. It's clear to me.
Fantastic. Aditya, clear?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, Aradhna, Akshaya, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Akshit, clear?
Yes, sir.
Why it is not getting copied? Okay, next one. Okay. Purchase computer for
One,
cash.
purchase computer for cash rupees.
Here
20,000.
it is for business. It is not for personal. It is for business. The previous one, refrigerator, was for personal. That is why it was drawing. You can mention in bracket, you can mention drawing, guys. Underline the word personal use, mention as drawing so that you never forget it.
Okay.
This is for computer for cash. How much?
20,000, sir.
Minus 20,000 in cash.
And computer.
I'm introducing another asset called computer. 20,000. Over. This one is over. Next one. New accounting equation. Okay. Ninth one. What is the ninth one?
Cash
withdrawn
withdrawn
for
for personal use, 10,000 rupees.
Yeah, this is the same one we see, the one where refrigerator was brought and cash withdrawn for personal use, both same transaction. Both same transaction. They could have given it simply. Previously also they could have given it simply cash withdrawn 5,000. The word refrigerator was not even useful for us. It was meaningless word only to confuse you. Okay, cash withdrawn, how much? 10,000 rupees. And what is the next impact, guys? Next impact is
Capital decrease.
capital decrease. Fantastic, guys.
Sir, answer is 295.
Pranav, you have to tell the full amount. 295 lakh. 29,500.
29,500.
Fine. Last accounting equation, guys, and we will end the class also on time. 8:31.
Okay, sir.
Last accounting equation. What is the last
Interest
one?
on drawing charge rupees 500, and the interest on capital allowed this rupees 1,000.
Interest on drawing charged 500. Interest on capital allowed. Interest on. I will take a minute to explain this. Capital allowed 1,000. Mark this transaction as important, guys. This is a new kind of transaction. Mark this transaction as important. Whenever you are revising, you have to revise this. Okay. Now, interest on capital and interest on drawing, two new terminologies has come to you. Okay, let me explain this, guys. I told you owner and business both are separate, right? Owner and business both are separate. Now, when the owner is withdrawing some money, the business is telling boss, if you want to withdraw money from the business, you have to pay drawings, interest on drawings. Business is telling to the owner, if you want to withdraw money from the business, you have to pay what? You have to pay interest. Then owner is asking, I also gave capital to the business. Why the business should not pay interest on capital to me? Owner is telling, you are taking interest for drawings. Why don't you allow interest on capital? I gave you capital to the, owner is talking to the business. Owner is telling to the business, I gave you capital, I want interest. Business is telling, you are drawing money, you pay interest. Okay, this is the context. Now let us understand, when drawing happens, when drawing interest on, see, when drawing happens, drawing is increase in capital or decrease in capital? Drawing is decrease in capital. And when an interest is levied on that drawing, that will also decrease the capital. So interest on drawing and drawing both will decrease the capital. And from the business point of view, business is telling, boss, pay me interest. For the business, interest on drawing will be what? Interest on drawing will be what? Income for the business. Income for the business. And if it is an income for the business, where it will be adjusted? It will be adjusted again in the capital.
Capital.
So both plus and minus will come in the capital. There will be a plus 500. There will be a plus 1000. There will be a minus 1000. Plus 1000 why? Sorry, and there will be a plus 500 and minus 500. Okay. Now I will explain again. Why plus 500? Because interest on drawing is profit for the business. Profit will increase capital. And since drawing decreases capital, interest on drawing will also decrease capital. So this is decrease in capital. Decrease in capital. Similarly, interest on capital. When an owner introduces capital into the business, we add the capital, right? And when the business is paying interest to the owner, capital will increase or decrease? Business is paying capital. Capital will increase. So interest on capital will increase the capital.
Increase.
Increase the capital. Yeah, it is increase the capital. And when the business is paying interest, it is an expense for the business also. It's an expense for the business also. So on one side, it is increasing the capital. On another side, see, for you, it is little tricky. You go to 12th standard, this concept is dealt in detail. For now, interest on drawing and interest on capital, you have to plus minus both in capital. Whether it is interest on drawing or interest on capital, it will be always plus minus, plus minus. Clear? Okay. Concept I am trying to explain you, but it's okay. To 12th, a chapter called partnership. In partnership, discussed in CBSE class 12. So don't worry about now. Just understand whether it's an interest or capital or interest on drawing, both will be plus and minus in the capital.
Okay.
Clear? Any doubt? So it will not impact anything else. It will not impact. It will be plus 100, minus 100, plus 500, minus 500. Both under capital only. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mark this transaction as important. Revise it, guys. Otherwise, you will forget it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And we are done with this problem now. We are done with this problem. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, fine, guys. I will stop presenting now. So, okay. So, guys, what you have to do now before tomorrow's class? Tomorrow we will meet again at 7 o'clock. So, before tomorrow's class, practice till illustration. Which illustration was this?
Illustration 6, sir.
Practice this till illustration 6 and question also till question number 6. Practice it. Okay, I will see you in the, or let me see if I can give you your homework. Give me a moment, guys. You can do question number 8. Question number 8, you can try.
Question number 8. What is that question number 8, sir?
Practical problem 8.
Practical
I think only practical problem 8 you can try. Practical problem 12 also you can try. 8 and 12. 8, 12, 13. Okay. So practical problem 8, 12 and 13 you can try, guys.
8, 12, 13.
8, 12 and 13. It's homework for you. No excuses of no time. Okay. 8, 12 and 13. Only 3 questions I have given.
Okay, sir.
Fine. I will meet you in tomorrow's class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.